When we said something and we are done, or even doing something and we are done, we make a point after it. Not a comma, a point. Because if you make a comma, then it must still go on. But in this stage, it must be a point. And also when you draw a line in the sand, even draw a line at the end of something, then it means it's done, it's finished. Now I want to tell you today that too long, things hold you captive. Too long, things were keeping you back, keeping you of moving forward. Doesn't allow you to live out your life to the fullest. Thoughts that kept you captive and emotions of yesterday, those things are holding you like a slave, and it's time to let go because too much it stole from you. Too much was prevented because of these things. Too long you have held to yesterday's things, and it's now time to let go.